MashaAllah, this gentleman, Mr. Zaid, he's from my town. The transporter है ना जी माशाल्लाह शादी हुई तो वो ड्यूटी मुबारक भेजी थी बहुत सारी and माशाल्लाह they are also transporter. I'm here. I'm just moving back home now from Lahore to Tamil back to home. My mission is over. Jodi का डाउटा करना आया था. Let's say I came in to buy something. अनादोनी कमाना था my room office. ठीक है अभी very good. मगर मैं तुम्हें no. Thanks very much, transporters. Okay, very nice. This is my country, my people. Today is 6th of March 2022. Oh, okay, why not? Thank you. This is called my desk. We're ready to. And of course, I will be moving back in next 10-20 minutes, of course. But anyway, thanks God, I really enjoyed it with my weekend. With my people, it's my country, it's my world, of course. But anyway, work is a pleasure and I love work. I like love. I love work, of course. Love is everything. And the work is a pleasure. Work is a pleasure, of course, always. Without work, we can't enjoy the travel, we can't enjoy the holidays, we can't enjoy the friends, even nothing. Nothing. Life can be big zero. Thank you. Start riding in next 10-20 minutes. Bye-bye. Ciao. Mr. Zaid is on the way. He's a driver. Yeah, he's a very good man. Thank you. Bye-bye.